Alright guys, it's your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair. A little bit tired right now. I've had 5 calls so far and 3 first call completes. I had 1 microwave that this morning I knew the turntable motor was burnt out, but the reason it was burnt out is because the interlock switch is bad. So it just runs all the time when the door is closed. So we have to see if they make the interlock switch still and the holder, because it looks like we have a problem with the holder and the door closing correctly and stuff like that. So we'll look for that tonight. Get it ordered if so. Excuse me. Then had my last call. I was coming out of Wichita and had another call out here in Bowie, and it's a GE dishwasher, which I did not have the parts on the truck available for, so told them I'd get them on Thursday so far, and we'll take care of it. Man, I am really tired. I put in a lot of miles today, man. I put in a lot of miles. I got up early this morning, about 5. But, yo, it feels great, you know. I got 3 service call fees. Should have had 4, but the lady didn't want to pay me. I don't argue with customers who don't want to pay me. They can pay our warranty company, and after that, I don't care. You know, I get the money on the back end. It ain't a big deal to me. Excuse me. But man, I like riding these back roads. It's cool. And nothing really back here except for deer, hogs. Every once in a while you see a hog, not too much in the daytime, but I have seen some roaming around out in the daytime. And it's just a peaceful drive. Really peaceful. I'm actually headed back to Gainesville right now instead of home, because I made a mistake. I left my DeWalt light at a customer's house on yesterday. I told him initially I'll pick it up on Monday, but since I was like 50 minutes away from it, I said I might as well go ahead and pick it up now. I don't have anything else going. So it's 50 minutes to get to the light, then another 55 minutes to get home. And I've been putting some miles on the truck, been putting some miles on the tire, been putting some miles in this seat. But it's all for the greater good, man. We really out here getting cash. So I mean, it ain't nothing to complain about. This is what it looks like when you're a one-man operation with your wife helping on the back end. These Saturdays and Sundays, you gotta be out here grinding. And when I go in and complete a bunch of these calls tonight, if they shoot me a bunch of calls tomorrow or tonight, I'm gonna be right back out here on Sunday. NFL, forget NFL. I don't make no money by watching them run the ball and pass the ball. I don't make no money. Them out here running and passing that ball, I don't get no money. If one win versus the other. But I know for sure I'm gonna get some money. You know what I'm saying? If I get out here and hit these service calls. And I'm gonna get some good money. I'm gonna get some good money. You know, man, it's just a beautiful thing. I would encourage all of you to get into the appliance repair game, into the appliance repair business, because it's not a game, it's in the hustle. If you ain't built right, it'll chew you up and spit you out. But I love to work, so I'm ready for it. Throw a punch, I'm weaving. I get hit, I slide over. You know what I'm saying? I get hit, I gotta slide with it. You know what I'm saying? Lessen the blow. You know, and just keep rolling. Then throw my punch. Throw my punch. You guys are gonna have to toughen up. You guys gonna have to toughen up, man. You know, I hear a lot of people talking about passion and what they want to do. And my wife, she does that. Oh, I gotta like the job. Man, fuck your passion. Straight up, fuck your passion. Fuck what you want to do. Until you are in a place where you can just get money off of what you love to do, man, fuck your passion. You better figure out some way to provide a service to somebody and take care of your family and build wealth. That's how I see it. You know, I don't believe in this. You have to find something that you fall in love with to be able to do it. I fall in love with life, and in life I do whatever I gotta do, and that's just how I've always been. I've never had a job I didn't like, because I'm built like that. I'm built to work. I'm built to get out and don't complain. I'm built to keep going. And that might not be everybody, but if you know you're not built for this life, if you know you're not built to be away from your wife, if you know you're not built to be away from your homeboys, man, y'all homeboy dudes kill me, man. Y'all boys want to be with your homeboys so much, man. That killed me. When I got married, my wife was like, man, you can't have all these women friends. I know how you are. My wife was my friend 10 years before we got married. And all I keep is women around me, man. I got a couple homeboys. They cool. I don't see them, man. Man, I was always kicking it with females. I mean, I don't understand these guys that always want to be with dudes. Like, that's the weirdest thing to me. Real players want to kick it with some women. I'm going to either get some game. They going to always look out for me. They going to always make sure I'm straight. And, man, I just don't understand. There's a lot of these guys that just want to run around some guys. Man, I don't know what the deal is with that, man. Y'all better toughen up. You need to, you know what I'm saying, get some calluses on your hand. You need to do some work, dog. Get out here for real. This is what, man, I'm working in IT. It's good for you, dog. Keep it up. Keep getting your bread like that. Now run it up. Now figure out how you can parlay that into ownership. That's what I'm talking about. I love owning things, you know, but to each their own, you know what I'm saying? Man, I ain't gonna rant on this thing too long, boy, but I'm just telling you, man, if you one of the blue collar guys out there, appliance repair is a wonderful field for you to get in. The AC industry, you know, that's the HVAC, the plumbing industry. Man, get into one of these industries where you can start naming your own price, man. Welding, I used to weld when I was in high school for 2 years. I love welding. Man, I had some really good fun times welding. You know, taught me a lot about just being able to see something in your mind and then sketch it out and then make it with your own hands. Into that automotive, man. I took automotive for about 4 years. That's where I was going to be before I got my job. I was in the automotive industry, man. I was in school, then I got a job.
In 1 mile, turn right on US 82.
I'm on turn on 82. But yeah, I was in college, Cedar Valley Community College. Then I was working at Midway Auto Supply right there across from the VA Hospital on Lancaster Road, man, right there in the hood. And after that, I went on up there to them boys right there. Yeah. And man, life been good for me. I ain't never really wanted for nothing in my life. So, and you know, that's a mindset. Well, we can talk about that later on a different video. But yeah, your mindset really does determine what you do and how you do it. But I'm signing off for now. This your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair. See, y'all just brought me some life. Cause I was getting tired. I was like, oh, I'm tired. Y'all brought me some life. I'm feeling good now. Talking that talk. All right, but I'm about to exit on 82 East. Head on
turn
over
right
here to
on US 82.
You heard what she said. I gotta do what she tell me. All right now.